guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to create a photo strips using PowerPoint presentation, and we are going to convert this one into image later on. So let's get started with our tutorial. So I will be creating a new document. Go to File, New, Blank Presentation. And since I am not going to use a title or anything else, I am going to change the layout into blank. Go to Layout and choose blank. And then afterwards, we are going to insert now the image we are going to edit. So go to Insert, Picture, and I have here a picture of Vice. So this is a picture of Vice Ganda. I will be inserting this one, so you can click on the image and then drag. I will resize the image to make it bigger. And then next step we're going to do is to add shapes. So go to Insert, click on Shape, and then click on the desired shape you want. For me, I will be using, where is that? So I will be using this one. So duplicate this image. You can also resize the image if you want to, or the shape, I mean. So duplicate this image, and then it depends on whatever design you want. So after creating shapes, I will add more first to make more designs. I will put it in here. So again, that depends on you, on what you want. Okay, so after adding all the shapes, just click on the image. So to make sure you highlight first the image, click on the Control key and then click on the image. So after clicking on the image, you click all the shapes using Control and then click. Make sure to highlight all the shapes here. So afterwards, go to Format and then go to Merge Shape and then Fragment. Oh, I did not yet highlight the image in here. So go to Merge Shape and then Fragment. So we're done. We're going now to delete the extra strips in this image. So to highlight them all, just click on the image, the entire image. So remove all the extra strips in there. Where are the other strips? No more. So you can adjust this picture here. You can adjust the shapes. You can move. Oops. So there we go. To add more designs, click Ctrl A and then go to Format. And then we have here Picture Effect. We're going to add shadow to this image. And then afterwards, we're going to change the colors of these strips. So go to Format, Color, and then you can choose whatever color you want. After adding some colors, you can also change the background of the slide. So right click on this slide and then go to Format, Background. Go to, you can choose here, go to Colors and then change background into, oh, I don't like this one. This is much better. So that's it. And then to save this as picture, you have to go to File and then go to Export, change file type, and then we have here the image file format. We have PNG and JPEG, so I'll choose this JPEG and then click Save As. So there you go, just input here any file name you want. So Vice Photo Strips and then click Save and then we're done. So that's it, just this one slide. So I have it here, Documents, we have Vice Photo Strips. So So this is the image, and then there you go, it's done. And thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.